Begin by using a trim removal tool and gently pry the end dash trim piece off below the vent. It is just held in place by two clips from behind. Red arrow. Open the glove box and the cup holders. Use a thin screwdriver or a 2mm Allen and using the access holes in the glove box to release the retaining clips on the cup holder. Red arrow. There is one on each side. You want to gently push up. As the clips release, pull the cup holder out a little. Once you have both sides free, you can simply pull the cup holder straight out from the dash. With the cup holder removed, you can see the clips you are going to be releasing. Red arrow. There is one on each side. With the cup holder out, you can see the two pass-through holes you will be using. Installation is simply pushing the holder back in until you hear it click in place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.